Alrighty, guys, welcome back to another episode. Today we are doing LeetCode problem number 58, length of last word. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. So given a string S consisting of words and spaces, return the length of the last word in the string. A word is maximal substring. A word is maximal substring consisting of non-space characters only. Gotcha. So example 1, hello world. The last word is the length of 5, so meter output 5. Fly me to the moon. Looks like there's a space in that though, so we'll have to make sure we remove all the spaces first. Okay, seems simple enough. So first we'll start off with, let's see, to solve the problem I'm thinking about doing, I'm first thinking that we need to remove the spaces from the end of the word. So first off, we're going to need to make it an array or a list. We're going to need to make the whole string a list. And then we're going to need to remove the spaces from the list. And then from there, we can append each letter until we hit another space to an empty array. And then we can just return the length of that array. And that should be able to give us an answer that we need. Let's go ahead and start out by making, let's go call it string array. S. Okay, that will make the string of S an array. And then we'll go ahead and set up our empty array. We'll call it last word. This is going to be the letters of the last word. Comma this out too. Actually, we'll call it string list since it's a list. List. Okay. So now we'll go ahead and remove the spaces at the end so we can just get to the word. So go for, let's say I in S, or no, in so if I equals space list. So this will remove the last element in the list. And then if there is not I gotta indent this right. What the heck's going on here? There we go. Okay. Else we will break the loop. Then we'll go ahead and comment this out. Iterate through list. If the value is a space, we will remove it. Okay. And then if there are no spaces, we will break the loop. And I just remembered one thing is we're going to have to use a reverse function because we need to start at the end of the array. That'll be useful. All right, cool. So now we will go ahead and iterate through same list through this to and each character of the last word to the array. Okay. So for j in reverse string list. There we go. Python's the worst with indentation. Okay. So if, all right. So let's see here how we want to do this. So if we'll just see if j is equal to return last word. Oh wait, no, length of last word. Yeah, that's right. So we need to return the length of the last word. So we'll do using the length function. Okay, perfect. And then if it's not, we'll do if j. Actually, we'll choose else because there's only one other option. So else append last word and j. Okay. And then we're going to, this might be the wrong indentation. So we need a value to return at the end in case it ends on this step. So or else it will return null. There we go. Okay, so let's see if that works. So let's go ahead and comment this out first. If we run into a space, that means the end of the word has arrived, and we return list list length for answer. Copy and paste that. If not a space, we will append the character to the list. Okay. Let's go ahead and run this. See what we get here. Wrong. All right. Let's see. Let's see. There we go. Okay, so we need to make sure that this is outside of the loop. I don't understand. There we go. That should be outside loop. Okay, that should work. There we go. Okay, let's go ahead and submit this now. Perfect. Just good runtime, good memory. All right, let's go ahead and submit this guy. I'll just call this. Comments. I mostly post with this title just so people can find my post in case they're struggling with the problem. I feel like most of my solutions are easy to understand, especially with the comments, so that's why I do that title. Okay, so there you guys have it. This was the link of the last word problem being solved on LeetCode, question number 58. Leave a comment if you guys liked my solution, if there's something better I could have done, or anything else. Guys, go ahead and subscribe, comment, and turn on the notification bell so you guys can stay updated on my journey to becoming a LeetCode master. Thank you guys all for joining, and I'll see you next time. Have a good one. Bye-bye.